Namaste. You're watching Yoga Se Hi Yoga with Lakshay. Today I'm going to teach you all a few basic practices to fix your low back problems. But before that, if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please do so by hitting the subscribe button given below.
Today's practice will include these postures. Let's start with Cobra pose. Lie down on your stomach, forehead on the mat. Place your palms next to the chest, elbows closer. Keep your feet together, toes pointing back. Engage your legs and your buttocks. Inhale, lift your head up, chest up. Come up till the navel, chin parallel to the floor. Minimizing the pressure on your palms. Your head and chest should be lifted by engaging your buttocks and your legs. Stay in this posture for 5 deep inhalations and exhalations. If this feels challenging, you may keep your feet slightly apart or bring your elbows down on the mat. Stay here for 5 breaths. After finishing 5 breaths, slowly exhale and come down to the starting position. You may do 3 to 5 rounds of this practice as per your comfort. Let's move on to half locust pose. Bring your chin on the mat. Take your hands under your thighs, palms facing up. Feet together, toes pointing back. Engage your buttocks and your legs. Now inhale, lift your right leg up. Stay here for 5 breaths. After 5 breaths, slowly bring the leg down. Now inhale, lift your left leg up. Hold the position for 5 breaths. After 5 breaths, slowly bring the left leg down. Now let's do locust pose by lifting both the legs up and hold the posture for 5 breaths. If you find this challenging, you may turn your palms towards the mat and keep pressing the palms while holding the posture. After holding for 5 breaths, slowly bring your legs down to the starting position. This completes one set. You may do 3 to 5 sets as per your comfort. Now we will do crocodile pose. From locust pose, bring your arms in front, extend your arms over the head, feet mat width apart, toes pointing outwards. Place the right palm on your left shoulder, left palm on your right shoulder, resting your chin on the upper arm. Close your eyes and stay here for 8 to 10 breaths. After holding the posture for 8 to 10 breaths, let's do child pose. Go to thunderbolt pose. Hips resting on the heels, toes pointing back. Slowly walk your hands in front on the mat, resting your chest on the thighs, forehead on the mat. If you are unable to rest your forehead on the mat, you may keep your knees slightly apart, feet stay together. Walk your hands in front on the mat, rest your forehead down. Stay here for 8 to 10 breaths. After holding the posture for 8 to 10 breaths, we will do abdominal twist. Lie down on your back, fold your legs, bring your feet close to the hips, keeping your feet and knees together. Open your arms to the sides at the shoulder level, palms facing down. While exhaling, take both the knees to the right, turn the head to the left. Hold the posture for 5 breaths. After 5 breaths, inhale, bring the knees to the center. While exhaling, take the knees to the left, head to the right. Hold the posture for 5 breaths. After 5 breaths, inhale, bring the knees and head to the center. This is one set. You may do 3 to 5 sets as per your comfort. After finishing these practices, you may lie down in corpse pose for 3 to 5 minutes, relaxing your whole body.
I hope this practice helps you and makes you feel better both inside and out. I would like to hear back from you. After you do this practice, do share your experience by writing in the comment section below. Wish you a happy practice. Namaste.